I'll start from the questions only.
And I keep looking at the camera or look at her?
Yes, sir, you have to continue look at the camera while answering.
The theme of this event is 24/7 smart electricity. How EMA is going to contribute in creating smart electricity for smart city?
Well, smart cities in any case will have a very strong component of electricity and naturally smart electricity. In EMA we have been working, our members have been working in coming up with products which use electricity intelligently, which use electricity with efficiency. So any usage of electricity which is efficient and intelligent will be smart. So all these products which are being researched into, innovation is being done, are aimed at making electricity smarter, and any smart city, other than having aspects of smart municipal services, smart security, smart policing, smart management of data, connectivity, etc., will have to run on electricity. Everything will have to run on electricity. So electricity being a very integral part will play an important role in any smart city.
Government is planning to develop 100 smart cities in the country, which open up immense opportunity for electrical industry. But to make this a reality, planning and a decision making should be on the top of the agenda. What would you like to say?
Close door, mic close.
Well, the government has set up a cell under the Prime Minister called the Project Monitoring Group, which is manned by an additional secretary level officer from the Cabinet Secretariat, which has till now fast-tracked a large number of projects in the last few months of its existence. I think the learning which has been there from the project monitoring group of the government has a lot of relevance to fast tracking of the smart cities also. But most of these smart cities are not going to be greenfield. They will be brownfield projects, so that existing cities are made smarter, with the exception of maybe one city or two cities which will be new, like for example the capital of the new state which has been formed.
We are familiar with smart grid concept. What additional innovative feature 24/7 smart electricity will have?
Can you come again?
We are familiar with smart grid concept. What additional innovative feature 24/7 smart electricity will have?
See, smart grid has been there for a long time. Grids will get smarter. Components within the grid will talk to each other and decide on various things, making the grid smart. Now, 24/7 smart electricity, when we say, it means when the electricity has reached our homes, the consumption of that electricity in a smart manner. And that consumption would mean that in future, I will be able to control, or you will be able to control in a house, in our houses, through a cell phone, because everything will get connected to Wi-Fi, and Wi-Fi is connected to your phone. So if I start from my office and there's nobody at home, 5 minutes before I reach office, I can, by the usage of my cell phone, start the air conditioning, and by the time I reach my home, it is. There will be devices which will be smart enough to sense if there is sunlight outside, and the electrical lighting inside is not needed. So the blinds may go up automatically. Sunlight enters the house, and if it is illuminated enough, the artificial lighting is switched off all by itself. So right from temperature control to illumination to telling you what is missing in the fridge so that can be placed, can all be done in a more intelligent, more efficient manner. And the homes, the offices, the hospitals, everything will become increasingly smart. And there's an interesting thing, EMA is planning a exhibition and a conference in the coming January of 2015, which is called Intellect, Intelligent Electricity, Intellect. That is going to be in Bombay between 22nd of January to 24th of January, which will showcase a large number of such products which are futuristic, which will make our homes, hospitals, hotels, offices intelligent.
We have discussed smart city and smart electricity, but we cannot forget the vision of smart rural electrification. What is EMA's vision of smart rural electrification?
See, rural electrification is also getting smarter, and there are a lot of villages in we are a very large country, and a lot of villages are so far flung and they are so situated in difficult terrains that to take the grid to that village is a very expensive proposition. And the village might be only of 100 people or 150 people. So the cost of taking the grid to those 100 people might be a very expensive proposition and difficult to do that. So there are solutions of off-grid, so that you generate electricity through natural resources, maybe through solar or through wind or through hydro, small mini hydros, and that takes care of that small little village. Even in rural electrification, the transmission of electricity has to become smarter. The usage of electricity has to become smarter. Like, for example, the electricity is not available all the time to the village, to the farmer. It is needed by him at a particular time. So in doing that, in seeing that the electricity is available to him when it is needed, there will be equipments which will ensure this, and I'm sure that we'll move towards a more smarter rural grid also.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yes.